What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. So, in the last episode, we discussed that there is a potential possibility that we could see a correction on gold from the mentioned levels, and that is pretty much what we got. Now, DXY also pretty much went as expected. We have GBP USD, which has just tapped into the levels from where we were looking to buy. Now, what are we expecting this specific week? Let's quickly find that out. Now, as usual, we will always start our analysis with DXY, understanding where it is heading, which will give us a fair idea of what to expect on Euro and GBP USD, and maybe even gold to some extent. Right. So, looking at the closing on DXY, it has pretty much closed bullish, and what I expect is this to continue higher. Now, on a daily time frame, we have created some imbalance right here, so there is a good possibility we might continue a little higher, tap into this and again push higher. So my expectation is bullish DXY this week as well. Even on a 4-hour time frame, we don't pretty much have any good reason for DXY to continue bearish, right? So at least until 105 is protected, I will remain long on DXY. Now let's take a quick look on GBP USD. So I know we were planning longs from this particular imbalance or this particular level right here. However, looking at the closing, I'm not really very satisfied in the same view. Also considering that DXY is bullish, so this might not hold, right? So my bias on GBP USD might slightly change. I will look to potentially short this maybe on any pullback that you see. So there would be a potential good short opportunity just to target the lower lows again. Maybe it could be this demand area or even lower for that matter, right? So this is pretty much my expectation on GBP USD. Now let's take a quick look on Euro USD. So I expected Euro also to continue higher from this level, and that is pretty much what we've got, right? After tapping into this, we have seen a good 60-70 pip move on the upside. However, this still just failed to continue any higher, right? So this shows to some extent this is showing weakness, and now there are two potential zones from where I would look to short. Maybe this immediate supply area, or the other could be this imbalance right here. So I would have a short bias again on Euro USD. Now finally, let's take a quick look on gold and understand what's happening. So this was the zone which we had marked in the last weekly outlook, and from there we have got a very beautiful reaction. We have these two zones or defense fort for bullish gold. One happens to be 2306 to 12 odd levels, and the other one is 2295 to 2300 odd levels. Now if you fail to hold the 2295 odd level buying zone, my first target is going to be 2277, and then anything below that, right, 2200 odd levels could be seen in 1 or 2 weeks from now if we fail to breach, if we actually breach this, right? Now the second scenario, however, is slightly tricky, wherein I am expecting a midterm swing, maybe from this level or from this level, just to maybe retest this, or maybe again turn bearish somewhere here. But whatever it is, if I am bearish on gold, these are not the levels where I would short. I would definitely want to see a reaction here. I would definitely want to see a reaction here, and that is when I will be very comfortable to short again, because these are two important fort for bullish gold, and if we hold this, we might see a good run at least until 2330, 2350 odd levels, right? So that is pretty much my bias, that we can see some selling to buying in the first week, and then maybe end the week again bearish, right? That is pretty much my bias. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you're part of my Twitter and Telegram for regular updates on gold and other forex pairs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.